your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart.
Okay guys, so basically I just use, I'm going to use like a half a cup of milk to put in here. I did 5 eggs. I'm going to just be using a little bit of onion powder, the Tabitha Smith seasoning, and then also a little black pepper, a little salt, and adding some tomatoes, spinach, and some turkey meat to the muffin pan. So I'm going to mix all of this up together, and then I'm going to scoop it into the pan and then let it bake for probably about 20 minutes, if that's, on 400, and I'll let you guys see how it looks once it's finished.
Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings so strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah. To see you again. That was simply delusion.
So this is how they look. I didn't add anything but sausage and cheese to this one because that's going to be for Sanaya. And the rest of these, I definitely know, I'm not sure if she's going to eat it, so I just wanted to do it simple like that. Okay, y'all, so I do have to run out to do a Target pickup and another store run really quick. So before I go, Miss Joe, our neighbor next door, actually gave this to the kids for Easter. She's such a sweet lady, and we actually tried them all. They taste really nice, and you know, Ghirardelli's a good chocolate. And then I need to just get the kitchen straightened up. I'm gonna do my usual Saturday cleaning in here. Just wash those dishes up. I'm gonna change out the towels and stuff, and then this has to be cleaned out. So I'm gonna do that as well with you guys really quick before I run to the store.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when
So I want to say welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4 and a special needs mom. Here on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home, which include, of course, cleaning motivation, organization, home updates, day in the life type videos, anything that deals with being a wife and mom, just real life stuff, taking care of your home. If that's the type of content that you like, I would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. Definitely leave me a comment below. If not, just also share. We're trying to get out there, and I appreciate all the shares and the likes and the comments that you guys do give, and it doesn't go unnoticed. So I'm going to let you guys get back into watching this video. This is how my weekends usually go, just getting the house tidy and put back together before the week begins.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be wrong. So lonely. See you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'll
See if it's clean, guys. Not that book. You have to open up that folder that came. And when this gets a little bit more full, then I'll add some more stuff in there. So just sharing with you guys, we had actually went to the park. We were on our way back home. Sanaya actually was able to get her battery finally for her chair. So she was testing it out. So we definitely went to the park, and Zoe was still a little bit under the weather. So she was able to get a ride back home with her big sister. Good morning, friends. We are on a new day. You see, I got a little halo braid here. It's got me sweating though. Hope everybody had a wonderful Easter with their families. I know it's mostly for the kiddos or those of you that go to Sabbath and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed your Easter day with your family, your loved ones. I'm actually about to just tidy up my bathroom really quick. I have something for the kids. I have their basket and stuff I have to give them. I already did breakfast to them. I meant to share it with you guys, but I forgot. I had made potatoes and onions. We had sausage, turkey sausage, eggs, pancakes, cinnamon roll, orange juice. It was really nice. So that was their breakfast. I'm going to do their eggs with them for the little egg hunt, and then also give them the little baskets. It was nothing too crazy this year. Things been a little tight, but I still made it nice for them. And I just wanted to, I already cleaned my guest bathroom. I want to just touch up this bathroom really quick, my bathroom, and then I'm going to head in front so I can at least get dinner done, and then also make them some brownies. And then I do have to work tonight, so I just wanted to get a few things done beforehand. So I just want to get a little cleaning done with you guys on video. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to just clean up the bathroom a little bit, just wipe it up real quick, nothing serious or in depth, and then I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. So here's the bathroom. I washed Sanaya's hair today. So I just want to clean this up, wash out the tub, take those clothes in front so I can wash them, whatever we have left going into the week, and just wipe this down really quick and just wipe around the toilet. And I already vacuumed up in here, you know, and then we are done because you guys know that I clean shower off camera.
I don't wanna lie, 'cause I know you hate it. But right now I'm stuck in the middle. I stumble while I try, 'cause you don't wanna give in. Sounds like we're just talking in riddles. 5 in the morning, is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you. I know you think about every time I'm out, and sometimes so we're texting back. But baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you. I don't wanna lie, 'cause I know you hate it, but how am I supposed to say it like I mean it when you criticize like everything I say? I wish you knew that I'm trying every day. I will leave this up to you. I will leave this up to you. 'Cause now I'm done and down the line. So I will leave it up to you. It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pain down in a melody, melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. Just another melody.
Alright fam, sorry about the noise of the light. Just coming back through to show you that I did clean up the bathroom. Zoe of course put her aqua floor back up here, but bathroom is clean. Laundry basket is going to the laundry room to get all those things washed. You guys remember seeing all that stuff up here? I put that there because I'd actually sprayed down the shower and cleaned out the little caddy with bleach. Shower is clean. I'm actually gonna come back through with this with my little stick that's under there, the other one like this, and just do the glass again around it. I like to do that when I'm in the shower. And then we have this area over here that is clean. So bathroom is clean, done, tidy, and I'm satisfied with everything so far for the day.